Budgeting and forecasting, leveraging Power BI with Kepion apps. In this example, we're going to take a look at decomposition trees. Decomposition trees allow you to drill down into groups and split values logically by segments. In this example, we're going to drill down into revenue. Split revenue by region group. We can see here that most of the revenue comes from Australia. Let's drill down one further into product group. We can see here that bikes provides the majority of the revenue by product group, and it mainly comes from Australia. We can highlight over our values to give us the volume that is sold over time. Let's drill down now by branches. We can see here that Melbourne and Perth are the biggest branches in the Australian market. And again, volume is viewable with a tooltip. On the left-hand side, we have products by margin. Let's see how the highest margin product is spread. The decomposition tree highlights that margin is spread evenly between Melbourne and Perth. Let's find the highest earning product in components. Road frames is the highest earning component area. Let's drill into that. Let's expand components, and we can see that with HL road frames that Melbourne provides the highest gross margin contribution. Let's forecast specifically on LL road frames. We can see that in July 2019 there were 68 units sold for LL road frames. The business development team has suggested that 2021 we can sell 15% more than in 2019. Ignoring 2020 because of COVID. So let's look for LL road. There it is. Let's highlight all the products under LL road frames. Let's toggle on the volume. We can see here there's 53. Let's assign the value proportionally of our baseline value of 68 and uplift those values by the 50% forecast from the business development team. So there you have it. We've got a new forecast for this month of 78 units split proportionally in line with historical splits by product subgroups. Leveraging decomposition trees and gross margin stacked bar chart to drill into data and forecast rapidly for confident decision making. Budgeting and forecasting with Kepion apps and Power BI.